Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last video, we talked about what testing is and why does it matters. Okay, so today let's go one step deeper. We will talk about why automation is the future of testing. Okay, so let me start with a question. Okay, imagine you are testing a shopping website. You add an item to your cart, check out, enter payment details, and then confirm the order. Great. So now the developer releases a new update tomorrow. Okay, so do you test the whole flow again? Of course, yes. Okay, so along with validating the new changes, we must also perform regression testing to ensure that the update hasn't impacted any existing functionality. Okay, and what if they update again the next day? So do you repeat it again? Now imagine doing this for 100 test cases every single day. So would you enjoy it? Probably not, right? So that's the problem with the manual testing in modern application. Okay, so it doesn't scale. Manual testing is an amazing for exploratory testing, for understanding the user experience or testing something new. But when it comes to repetitive, boring, and regression testing, automation is the superhero. So, okay, so like that's why automation is important. So let me give you an analogy. So manual testing is like cooking a dish at home. Okay, so you carefully taste and adjust spices. Automation is like a factory kitchen. So machines prepare the dish consistently every single time. Both are valuable, but in today's world of continuous delivery, the factory kitchen approach is essential. Okay, so now here is the another perspective. So companies today releases updates weekly, sometimes daily. Apps like Instagram, Amazon, Facebook cannot afford to manually test all their features before every release. So automation helps them test thousands of scenarios in parallel across browsers in just minutes. So think about login functionality again. As a manual tester, you might test it once on Chrome, once on Firefox, once on Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge now, right? So, but what about Safari, Edge, mobile browsers, different devices? So, doing that manually would take hours. With automation, the same test scripts can be executed across all platforms in parallel. Okay, so that's why to speeding of testing, we should have automation testing in place. So now here is a common question. So will automation completely replace manual testers? Of course, no. The answer is no. Automation is powerful, but it needs human creativity to design the right test. So humans are better at thinking outside of the box, spotting weird scenarios, and exploring the unexpected paths. Automation is better at executing repetitive tasks quickly and reliably. So the best testers of today are hybrid testers. So they understand testing concepts deeply and also know how to implement automation frameworks. That's where you should aim to be. Okay, so here is the small exercise for you. So think of one repetitive test you have done in the past, or imagine one if you are new. So maybe testing login with different usernames or checking form validations. Now imagine if you could write code once and run it forever. Wouldn't that save hours of effort? Yes, right? So that's the real value of automation. So now here is one question for you. So write your answers in the comments. Imagine a feature in an app that needs daily regression testing. how would you decide whether to test it manually or automate it? Okay, so I would love to read your thoughts. In the upcoming videos, we will learn step by step how to actually set up and run automation test. So we will also start with Selenium, which is one of the most popular tools, and later move into more modern frameworks. So there are hybrid frameworks, TestNG frameworks are there, BDD Cucumber frameworks are there. Okay, so remember, manual testing builds the foundation, but automation is the bridge to future. So, and in this channel, we will help you build that bridge. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to roll up our sleeves and look at the Selenium. We will talk about what it is, how it works, and even visualize our first automation test together. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.